Upstart. How to play. The object of the game is to collect all the tiles in your startup pyramid and have $3,000. Lay out the board and each player picks a pyramid. Shuffle the Upstart and blitz decks, then place them face down on their spots on the board. Sort the product tiles by color and place them in face-up stacks on their matching spots on the board. Separate the office and team tiles to their own piles on the board. Each player picks one colored product tile and adds it to the bottom left of their pyramid. Sort the money into piles. This is called the bank, and give each person $1,000 as seen here. Flip 6 Upstart cards face up to the center spaces of the board. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you can buy up to 2 cards from the center by paying the bank the price indicated on the bottom right of the card. Then, take that card and immediately flip over a replacement from the deck to the empty spot on the board. Some cards have the word bid stamped on them. To purchase these cards, you must open up an auction. Announce you are bidding on it for the price listed on the card. Then, in a clockwise order, the next player can either beat your bid by exactly $100 or pass, and so on. The bidding stops once everyone except one player has passed and the card goes to the player with the highest bid. You are not allowed to bid on a card if you don't have enough money to pay for it. Putting a card up for auction counts as one of your 2 buys for your turn, even if you don't end up winning the bid and getting the card. After buying your card, you may then exchange any of your Upstart cards for tiles if you want. To do so, match the corresponding symbols for the square on your pyramid with Upstart cards in your hand. Discard the cards to a discard pile and take any available tile you want and fill in the space. You must match team and office tiles to their corresponding spots. You can only place tiles on the second and third row if you have 2 tiles directly below them. After buying and exchanging, roll the die, then every player collects 200 revenue for each matching colored product tile in their pyramid. If the die shows multicolored, then everyone collects 200 revenue for every colored product they have. There are special marketing cards you can buy. When you have a marketing card that matches the color of a tile in your pyramid, then you can place that marketing card next to that tile. Whenever that tile collects revenue, collect an extra amount of money from the bank as listed at the top of the marketing card. Some marketing cards have 2 colors and are allowed to be placed next to a product of either color, but not both at the same time. The multicolored marketing card can be placed next to any single colored product tile. Tiles may have up to 2 marketing cards attached to them. If the color for a marketing card is rolled, but the card isn't connected to a matching colored tile in your pyramid, then you do not collect extra revenue for it. If you roll a lightning bolt, then you draw the top blitz card and do what it says, then discard the card to the discard pile. If ever you don't have enough money to pay the bank or another player because of a blitz card, then pay them what you have and end your turn. You are not eliminated. After you roll, your turn ends and the next player goes. Repeat this process until a player fills up all 6 tiles of their pyramid and collects $3,000 or more, then they win. If this is a tie, then the tied player with the most money wins.